Depression is a prevalent mental health condition that impacts millions of people across the globe. It goes beyond occasional feelings of sadness, often interfering with daily life, relationships, and overall well being. This disorder can affect individuals of all ages, backgrounds, and walks of life. Understanding depression is crucial, as its widespread nature highlights the importance of awareness and support. By recognizing its significance, we can better address the challenges faced by those living with depression. Depression is a mental health condition characterized by persistent feelings of sadness, hopelessness, and a lack of interest in daily activities. Unlike normal sadness, which is usually triggered by specific events and tends to fade over time, depression can last for weeks, months, or even longer. It often interferes with a person's ability to function at work, school, or in social situations. Emotional lows are a natural part of life, but depression involves more severe symptoms that go beyond typical mood fluctuations. Understanding this distinction is important for recognizing when professional support may be needed. Depression is a complex mental health condition that manifests in several distinct forms. Major depressive disorder is characterized by intense episodes of sadness or loss of interest that last for at least 2 weeks and interfere with daily functioning. Persistent depressive disorder, also known as dysthymia, involves chronic symptoms that are less severe but persist for 2 years or more. Seasonal affective disorder is a type of depression that typically occurs during certain times of the year, most often in the winter months, and is linked to changes in daylight. Understanding these main types helps clarify how depression can affect individuals in different ways. Depression often manifests through a range of symptoms that can significantly impact daily life. Persistent feelings of sadness or emptiness are common, and individuals may find it difficult to enjoy activities they once found pleasurable. Changes in appetite, whether eating more or less than usual, can occur, along with noticeable shifts in sleep patterns, such as insomnia or oversleeping. These symptoms may persist for weeks or months, making it challenging to maintain routines and relationships. Recognizing these signs is an important step toward understanding and addressing depression. Depression can significantly impact various aspects of daily life, affecting not only physical health but also emotional well being and cognitive functioning. Individuals may experience persistent fatigue, changes in appetite, and disrupted sleep patterns, making routine activities more challenging. Emotionally, feelings of sadness, hopelessness, and irritability often dominate, leading to difficulties in maintaining relationships and social interactions. Cognitive effects, such as trouble concentrating, memory lapses, and indecisiveness, can interfere with work, school, or personal responsibilities. Together, these symptoms create a cycle that can make it hard for someone to engage fully in everyday life. Depression is a complex condition with multiple contributing factors. Genetics can play a significant role, as individuals with a family history of depression may be more susceptible. Biological aspects, such as imbalances in brain chemicals and hormones, also influence the onset of depressive symptoms. Environmental factors, including stressful life events or trauma, can trigger or worsen depression. Additionally, psychological factors like negative thinking patterns and low self esteem further contribute to the development of this disorder. Brain chemistry plays a crucial role in the development of depression. Neurotransmitters such as serotonin, dopamine, and norepinephrine are chemical messengers that help regulate mood and emotional responses. When the balance of these neurotransmitters is disrupted, it can lead to symptoms commonly associated with depression, including persistent sadness, loss of interest, and difficulty concentrating. Research suggests that both genetic and environmental factors can influence neurotransmitter levels, contributing to the complexity of depressive disorders. Understanding these mechanisms is essential for developing effective treatments and interventions. Life events such as loss, major transitions, or persistent difficulties can significantly impact mental health. Trauma, whether experienced in childhood or adulthood, often leaves lasting effects that increase vulnerability to depression. Chronic stress, arising from ongoing pressures like financial problems or relationship conflicts, can disrupt the body's ability to regulate mood. These factors may interact, making it harder for individuals to cope and recover. Over time, the accumulation of stress and unresolved trauma can alter brain chemistry, contributing to the onset of depressive symptoms. Several risk factors can contribute to a higher likelihood of experiencing depression. A family history of depression or other mental health disorders may increase vulnerability, suggesting a genetic component. Additionally, co occurring health conditions such as chronic illnesses or neurological disorders can elevate the risk. Environmental factors, including stressful life events or trauma, also play a significant role. Understanding these risk factors can help identify individuals who may benefit from early intervention and support. Healthcare professionals diagnose depression through a combination of clinical interviews, standardized assessment tools, and established diagnostic criteria. Commonly used tools include the Patient Health Questionnaire 9, which helps evaluate the severity of depressive symptoms. Professionals also refer to criteria outlined in the Diagnostic and Statistical Manual of Mental Disorders, focusing on factors such as persistent sadness, loss of interest, and changes in appetite or sleep. The process involves ruling out other medical conditions and considering the duration and impact of symptoms on daily life. This thorough approach ensures an accurate diagnosis and guides appropriate treatment planning. There are several treatment options available for individuals seeking support with mental health concerns. Psychotherapy, often referred to as talk therapy, provides a structured environment to explore thoughts and emotions with a trained professional. Medication may be prescribed to help manage symptoms, especially in cases where chemical imbalances are identified. Additionally, lifestyle changes such as regular exercise, a balanced diet, and improved sleep habits can play a significant role in overall well-being. Combining these approaches often leads to the most effective outcomes for many people. Support from family, friends, and community resources plays a crucial role in managing depression. Having a reliable network can provide emotional comfort, encouragement, and practical assistance during difficult times. Loved ones often help individuals feel less isolated and more understood, which can significantly improve their outlook. Community resources, such as support groups and counseling services, offer additional guidance and tools for coping. Together, these sources of support create a foundation that fosters resilience and aids in the recovery process. Managing depressive symptoms in daily life often begins with prioritizing self-care. This can include establishing a consistent sleep routine, eating nutritious meals, and engaging in regular physical activity. Mindfulness practices such as meditation or deep breathing exercises may help reduce stress and improve emotional well-being. Connecting with supportive friends or family members can provide comfort and encouragement. Setting small, achievable goals and recognizing progress, no matter how minor, can foster a sense of accomplishment and hope. Depression is often misunderstood, with many believing it is simply a matter of feeling sad or lacking willpower. In reality, depression is a complex mental health condition that affects mood, thoughts, and daily functioning. Stigma can lead to harmful assumptions such as the idea that people with depression should just snap out of it. These misconceptions can discourage individuals from seeking help and support. Recognizing depression as a legitimate medical issue is crucial for fostering empathy and promoting effective treatment. If you or someone you know is experiencing symptoms of depression, it's important to remember that help is available. Reaching out to mental health professionals, trusted friends, or support groups can make a significant difference. There are many resources designed to provide guidance and assistance, both online and within local communities. Seeking support is a sign of strength, and taking that first step can lead to meaningful improvement and hope for the future. In summary, understanding depression involves recognizing its symptoms, causes, and the impact it has on daily life. Effective treatments, including therapy and medication, can make a significant difference, and support from loved ones is crucial. While the journey may be challenging, recovery is possible, and many individuals find hope through professional help and personal resilience. With the right resources and encouragement, Those living with depression can move toward a brighter future. The path to healing is unique for everyone, but hope remains a powerful force in overcoming this condition.